Hey y'all, tonight I want to share 4 truths about work-life balance. Truth number 1 is that your identity is not tied to the work that you do, meaning that what you do, if your identity is tied to your work, that means that when it's good, you're going to be good. When it's bad, you're going to be bad. But when you're balanced, then you'll always feel good no matter if it's good or bad. Number 2, I need you to realize that your relationships matter. The people in your life matter. The people that have been there for you before this thing that you've been working on, this thing that you've been pouring into, they matter. Number 3, your mental health is tied to your balance, meaning that if you're not mentally stable because you're always working, grinding the wheels, then this is not going to be good. You're constantly going to be thinking about that work. You're going to put yourself in bad situations to where you can't sleep at night, to where the dreams start, where you can't do anything. And my very last one, and this is the most important one, is that your work will replace you. And I'll say that again, your work will replace you no matter what, no matter how far you climb up, is that eventually something will replace you. Think about this. Think about our government structure. It was somebody's idea. Structure from way back when, but guess how powerful that one concept still is. All these years later, we're still using that same concept. And so if you want to maintain a work-life balance, focus on those relationships. Focus on your mental health by staying balanced in other areas. Know that your identity is not tied to what you do. It's tied to the values of who you truly are. And as an extension of what you do, it always ties back to those values. And lastly, it's about you. It's about you being diligent and taking responsibility for yourself, knowing that you're important. Your legacy is important. So, ladies and gentlemen, get out and go to work on yourself, and let's harmonize and start creating some balance.